AdvanLED presents our LED scoreboard for the Stadium Majlis Perbandaran Kulai, Johor. This huge stadium is owned by the City Council of Kulai, Johor, or also known as the Majlis Perbandaran Kulai, which is located at Taman Puteri Kulai, Johor. AdvanLED was thrilled to be able to carry this responsibility in designing, manufacturing, and installing this LED scoreboard for this stadium. This LED scoreboard was completed in December 2020. This scoreboard bears a size of 5.76 meters squared by width and 2.88 meters squared by height, with the pitch pixel size of P6. With a total display physical resolution of up to 460,800 real pixels, this scoreboard delivers high definition quality for the spectators to see. This scoreboard is equipped with a scoring system software in the control room. The scoring system management includes the function of match management, timing, scoring, customizable display layout, advertising media displaying, as well as scoring systems with different types of games and categories that include combat, athletics, gymnastics, and many more. Now, Kulai athletes and sport lovers can utilize this LED scoreboard at their convenience in this stadium. For further inquiries, contact us at sales@ledvision.com.my or our general hotlines 06317 3668 and follow our journey on our social media. AdvanLED, your one-stop LED solutions provider.